People in Spain tend to live longer due to a combination of factors that contribute to their overall well-being. Scientifically, leading an active lifestyle, having strong social connections, and getting adequate rest, like the traditional afternoon siesta or nap, all play a role in reducing stress and improving heart health. The favorable climate in Spain, with plenty of sunshine, also boosts mood and provides essential vitamin D. However, among all these factors, food plays the most crucial role. The Spanish diet, often referred to as the Mediterranean diet, is rich in olive oil, fish, fruits, vegetables, and nuts. These foods are known to be heart-healthy, reduce inflammation, and lower the risk of chronic diseases. Consuming such a diet regularly can significantly contribute to longevity and better health. Today, we will talk about the 4 superfoods that make Spanish people live the longest, and we'll explain the science behind it. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only, and not as a medium to replace your doctors and dietitians. The first food is lean meat. Spanish cuisine has a notable affinity for lean meats, and this preference is associated with potential health benefits that could contribute to longer, healthier lives. Lean meats such as poultry and certain cuts of pork are favored in Spanish dishes. Scientifically, this preference aligns with research suggesting that diets rich in lean protein sources can have positive effects on longevity. Lean meats are typically lower in saturated fats, which when consumed in excess can lead to health issues like heart disease and obesity. By choosing lean meats, Spaniards reduce their intake of harmful fats and, in turn, lower their risk of chronic diseases. Firstly, lean meat is a rich source of high-quality protein. Protein is essential for the body's growth, repair, and maintenance of tissues, including muscles, organs, and enzymes. As we age, maintaining muscle mass and function becomes crucial for overall health and longevity. Lean meat provides amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, which support muscle preservation and overall tissue health. Secondly, lean meat contains important nutrients such as vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins like B12 and niacin, iron, and zinc. These nutrients play vital roles in various physiological processes. For example, B vitamins are involved in energy metabolism and nerve function, while iron is necessary for oxygen transport in the blood. Zinc supports immune function and wound healing. A diet rich in these nutrients can help prevent deficiencies that may lead to health problems and potentially shorten lifespan. Additionally, lean meat is generally low in unhealthy saturated fats and cholesterol compared to fatty cuts of meat. Consuming excessive saturated fats and cholesterol can contribute to the development of cardiovascular diseases, such as heart attacks and strokes, which are leading causes of premature death. By choosing lean meat over fatty cuts, you reduce your risk of these life-threatening conditions just like the Spaniards. 2. Olive oil. Olive consumption has been linked to the longevity of people in Spain through several scientifically supported mechanisms. Firstly, olives and olive oil are rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, particularly oleic acid. These fatty acids have been associated with a reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases. Oleic acid helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels by increasing levels of high-density lipoprotein HDL, or good cholesterol, and reducing levels of low-density lipoprotein LDL, or bad cholesterol. This, in turn, contributes to lower rates of heart disease and stroke, which are major factors in overall life expectancy. Secondly, olives are abundant sources of antioxidants, particularly vitamin E and various phenolic compounds. Antioxidants play a crucial role in neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. Excess free radicals can lead to oxidative stress, which is linked to chronic diseases and aging-related conditions. Regular consumption of olives and olive oil can help mitigate oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and protect cells from damage, thus promoting overall health and longevity. Lastly, olives are a significant source of polyphenols, specifically a class known as sequoiaridoids, which have been shown to have various health-promoting effects. These compounds have anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and antimicrobial properties and they contribute to the overall well-being of individuals consuming them regularly. By incorporating olives into their diets, people in Spain benefit from these polyphenols, which may help protect against age-related diseases and support a longer and healthier life. 3. Fish. The consumption of fish in Spain contributes to longer and healthier lives through several scientifically supported mechanisms. Firstly, fish, particularly fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, is an excellent source of long-chain omega-3 fatty acids, specifically eicosapentaenoic acid EPA and docosahexaenoic acid DHA. These omega-3 fatty acids have been extensively studied for their cardiovascular benefits. They help reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering triglycerides, reducing inflammation, improving blood vessel function, and reducing the formation of blood clots, all of which promote heart health and contribute to longer life expectancy. Secondly, fish is a high-quality source of lean protein. And as we explained in the lean meat section, we already know the benefits of lean protein. Moreover, fish is a source of essential nutrients such as vitamin D, iodine, and selenium. Vitamin D is important for bone health and immune system function. Iodine is necessary for thyroid hormone production, which regulates metabolism, while selenium acts as an antioxidant and supports proper thyroid function. These nutrients contribute to overall well-being and can help prevent deficiencies and associated health issues, ultimately promoting a longer and healthier life. Lastly, regular fish consumption has been associated with a reduced risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and cognitive decline. Omega-3 fatty acids, in particular, have been linked to improved brain health and cognitive function. A diet rich in fish may help protect against age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative disorders, contributing to a higher quality of life in older age. 4. Spaniards eat a variety of vegetables. The Spaniards are known to love veggies and have a variety of them. We will explain how each veggie plays a role in their longevity. 1. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a Spanish kitchen staple and are rich in a powerful antioxidant called lycopene. Antioxidants are like bodyguards for our cells, protecting them from damage. This protection can reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and certain types of cancer. So, the lycopene in tomatoes can help keep Spaniards healthier and potentially extend their lives. 2. Peppers. Both bell peppers and spicy peppers are used extensively in Spanish cuisine. They are packed with vitamins and antioxidants. These nutrients boost the immune system, which acts as the body's defense against illnesses. By having a strong immune system, people in Spain can better ward off diseases, leading to a longer and healthier life. 3. Onions. Onions are a flavor base for many Spanish dishes, and they offer more than just taste. They contain compounds that may help lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels. When these key health indicators are in check, the risk of heart disease decreases. Therefore, regularly including onions in their diet can potentially extend the lives of Spaniards. 4. Garlic. Garlic is another flavorful ingredient found in most Spanish recipes. It has numerous health benefits, including the potential to reduce the risk of heart disease. Garlic can also help fight infections, keeping people healthier for longer. By incorporating garlic into their diet, Spaniards may support heart health and overall well-being, contributing to a longer life. 5. Potatoes, a staple in Spanish dishes like patatas bravas and the famous Spanish omelette, provide energy and fiber. Fiber helps with digestion and can assist in maintaining a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is linked to overall health and longevity, so including potatoes in their diet can help Spaniards live longer, healthier lives. 6. Eggplant. Eggplants, commonly used in Spanish dishes like pisto, are low in calories and high in fiber. This combination can aid in weight management, which is essential for overall health. Maintaining a healthy weight can lower the risk of chronic diseases, potentially contributing to a longer life. 7. Zucchini. Zucchini is a versatile vegetable used in various Spanish dishes. It's low in calories and contains essential vitamins and minerals. This nutritional content supports overall health and well-being, potentially extending the lifespan of those who include it in their diet. 8. Artichokes. Artichokes are known for their high fiber and antioxidant content. They promote healthy digestion and protect cells from damage. These health benefits can contribute to a longer, healthier life for those who enjoy dishes with artichokes. Green bean. Green beans are a source of vitamins and fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and promote heart health. Maintaining stable blood sugar and a healthy heart are key factors in living a longer, healthier life. 10. Asparagus. Asparagus is rich in vitamins and folate, which are essential for cell repair and overall health. By supporting cell health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases, asparagus can potentially extend one's lifespan. 11. Cabbage. Cabbage is low in calories and high in fiber, making it excellent for weight management. It's also rich in vitamins that support overall health. Maintaining a healthy weight and overall well-being contribute to a longer life. 12. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a nutritional powerhouse, providing vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. These nutrients help protect the body from chronic diseases and support general well-being, potentially leading to a longer, healthier life. 13. Red wine. In Spain, red wine is often enjoyed in moderation as part of their meals. It's not just a beverage, it's an integral part of their culture and cuisine. Spanish meals, especially in regions like Catalonia and Rioja, commonly feature red wine as it complements the flavors of their dishes. Red wine's acidity and tannins can enhance the taste of food, making the dining experience more enjoyable. The science behind red wine's potential health benefits lies in its rich content of antioxidants, particularly one called resveratrol. Resveratrol is found in the skin of red grapes used to make red wine. This antioxidant has been studied for its potential to reduce inflammation and protect cells from damage. It may also help improve the health of blood vessels, which can contribute to heart health. Moderate consumption of red wine, particularly with meals, may offer certain health advantages. The antioxidants in red wine, like resveratrol, have been associated with a reduced risk of heart disease by helping to lower bad LDL cholesterol levels and promoting better blood vessel function. Additionally, the social and cultural aspects of enjoying red wine with meals in Spain can contribute to overall well-being and stress reduction, which are linked to longer, healthier lives. It's essential to note that moderation is key. Excessive alcohol consumption can have adverse health effects. In Spain, red wine is typically consumed in moderate amounts, and this, combined with a balanced Mediterranean diet and a lifestyle that includes regular physical activity, may play a role in the country's longevity. Now, those were the 4 superfoods that make Spain the healthiest nation in the world. But let's not forget the other factors that also contributes to this longevity. Healthcare system. Spain has a universal healthcare system that provides access to medical care for all residents. This healthcare system offers comprehensive coverage, including preventive care, specialized treatments, and medications. Accessible and quality healthcare is a significant factor in increasing life expectancy, as it ensures that people can receive timely medical attention and manage chronic conditions effectively. 2. Active lifestyle. Spaniards generally lead active lifestyles. Walking is a common mode of transportation, and many cities and towns are designed to be pedestrian-friendly. Moreover, recreational activities like dancing, hiking, and cycling are popular leisure pursuits. Regular physical activity plays a crucial role in maintaining health, reducing the risk of chronic diseases, and contributing to a longer life. 3. Strong social connections. Spain places a high value on social connections and community. The importance of family and close-knit communities can provide emotional support and reduce stress, both of which are associated with improved mental and physical health. This social support network can contribute to longevity by fostering a sense of belonging and emotional well-being. 4. Climate. Spain benefits from a favorable climate in many regions, with plenty of sunshine and mild winters. This climate encourages outdoor activities and a generally healthier lifestyle. Exposure to natural sunlight also supports the body's production of vitamin D, which is essential for bone health and overall well-being. 5. Low rates of smoking. Spain has made progress in reducing smoking rates. Smoking is a major risk factor for many chronic diseases, including heart disease and various cancers. Lower smoking rates contribute to improved overall health and longer life expectancy.